to Colima. The second one option is to go to Nayarit. Nayarit is also on the west coast. There are many cities like Punta Mita, like villages, cities, like Puerto Vallarta, like Nuevo Punto.
Nuevo Vallarta.
Nuevo Vallarta, Sayulita. Look, we're now in the jungles. Everything is green. What I really like about Mexico is it's so many palms, so many trees, and everything is green around you, and it is very beautiful. It is inspiring you to explore new places more and more. Even like when you look, your eyes, you're like enjoying this views. It's really very like curvy, and we're going on the mountains, going up and down, and also like left, right. So that's why this road, and there is only like two ways, like one way there and one went back. That's it. So you need to be careful if you drive the car. The most interesting thing when you like in Mexico on the west coast side, on like left side on the map, and you will go like to the most beautiful sunset in the world are exactly on west coast Pacific. And they're really amazing, really. If you will go from Mexico to United States, like moving like this, I mean, is it possible?
Claro.
To go like on the west coast, and you can reach Mexico, going to United States like Los Angeles, California, like, and after
Seattle, Vancouver.
Yeah, you can go to Canada to like Vancouver. This is amazing. Mexico, USA, Vancouver, west coast, Pacific Ocean, and it's like, it's very beautiful. Just imagine how many sunsets you can like enjoy. Sayulita. This is Pueblo Magico. Pueblos Magicos are the cities in Mexico where they mention somehow in the history of this country. Sayulita, Pueblos Magicos. No, I cannot see it. Oh, this is nice. So guys, we came to Sayulita, Pacific coast of Mexico. Many European people, they live here. Many Canadians, many people from USA. And this is a place for surfing. This is the main plaza in the city. The city is really very small. So, Sayulita, Pueblo Mágico. Yum, yum, yum. So this is the main street in Sayulita. Let's walk a little bit. Yellow house. Houses, Sayulita Central Hotel. Okay, the seaside. Many bars. Yeah, cool. We need to try surfing here. Yeah, it's ideal waves. Wow. So this is all Sayulita, Mexico. We came just to the sunset. The water is really nice, really warm. It's an ideal place to start surfing. Wow. And the water, you see, it's really very clear. It's a very nice place for beginners, for surfing. Really cool, amazing place. It is warm water, it is clean. It is like not so big waves. For beginners, I think so it will be fine. I see there are many surfers. They're just waiting for like big wave, like really big wave. Bam. How cool is this? This reminds me of the Boracay, like this a little bit. And also the island in Dominican Republic called Saona. This is pretty cool.